Needy, that bomb threat happened this morning at Cesar Chavez High School. Now, the Stockton Unified School District did notify parents by an automated phone call, but the recording cut off the name of the school involved,
do you feel like
it also went out to parents at all 62 schools in the district, causing concern and confusion, not just in Chavez. Bodies, buses, and cars flowed out of Cesar Chavez High School in Stockton. A student in an art class in this building showed a teacher.
It appears that there is more and more fire and smoke enveloping the very top of the building.
Maybe just beginning.
Here's, of course, the former Catholic priest accused of sexually molesting nearly a dozen boys. Linda Huang joins us now to tell us what lies ahead for him. Linda?
Gordon Cause has been out on $10,000 bond since last May on 2 criminal charges, one on indecency with a child and another on sexual assault of a child. He's already set for pretrial on the...
And as fire crews are descending on this area,
Grade 9, Chopper 5, anybody on? What we have been fearing for the longest time here apparently has come to pass. A disastrous terrorist attack on the World Trade Center.
Busting nearly a dozen boys.
Smashing into each one.
I've never seen anything. It looks like a movie. I saw a large plane, like a jet, go immediately headed directly into the World Trade Center. It just flew into it, into the other tower coming from south to north. I watched the plane fly into the World Trade Center. It was a jet. It was a very large plane. It was going fast. It went past the Republic that was being built in Battery Park. It went right past it, almost hit it.
Accused of sexually molesting nearly a dozen boys. Joins us now to tell us what priest accused of sexually molesting nearly a dozen boys. Linda, the priest accused of sexually molesting nearly a dozen boys. Linda Huang joins us now to tell us what lies ahead for him.
Gordon Cause has been out on $10,000 bond since last May on 2 criminal charges, one on indecency with a child and another on sexual assault of a child. He's already set for pretrial.
It appeared a massive explosion. That was apparently a smaller plane. Debris from the explosions.